when you look at this administration, I'm offended by Eric Holder and the president also in their posture of this. But it looks like Eric Holder said that we were that white people in America are cowards when it comes to race. And I don't know what the basis of that is, but I'm not a coward when it comes to that, and I'm happy to talk about these things, and I think we should. But the president has demonstrated he's got a default mechanism in him that breaks down the side of race, on the side of it favors the black person. In the case of Professor Gates and Officer Crowley, that was a case where he knew nothing about it, threw himself into it, and concluded that the cop had operated on a race bias or a racist basis, and then he ended up having to have a beer summit because of that. Yeah. And when you've got Eric Holder's office they shut off the most open and shut and the most blatant voter intimidation case in the history of America, and the New Black Panthers case in Philadelphia, where you had paramilitary uniformed people standing there with billy clubs, smacking those billy clubs in their hands and calling white people crackers. That case was done. They had the convictions on it, and he pulled the plug on that. And he can't find a nickel to investigate Acorn. That seems there are racial implications there. And if you can't find a nickel to investigate Acorn, but you can turn the full force of the federal government, the Department of Justice, against Arizona, and neither the president nor the attorney general can point to a single place in the Arizona law that would be a constitutional violation or a preemption from federal statute or case law that would indicate that they're right. And yet still they march on forward, and it clearly is for political reasons. It can't be anything else.